Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Stepping into the engine room for the first time is an experience that stays with you forever. The moment you push open that heavy watertight door, you are hit with a wave of heat, the distinct smell of heavy fuel oil, and the roaring rhythm of massive machinery working in unison. This is the heart of the ship, and as an engine cadet, this is your new world. Your journey begins with a mix of excitement and anxiety. Everything looks immense, complex, and intimidating. Miles of piping crisscross the overhead decks, giant pumps hum continuously, and the main engine looms over you like a steel skyscraper. Your primary job in these initial weeks is simple yet crucial. Learn the layout, understand the systems, and get comfortable with the environment. You quickly realize that marine engineering is not just about turning wrenches. It is a masterclass in adaptability, problem-solving, and endurance. Every single day brings a fresh challenge. One morning you might be tracing fuel lines through tight bilges, and by the afternoon you could be assisting the second engineer with an overhaul of fuel injectors. Your overalls get stained with oil, grease becomes a permanent accent on your hands, and sweat becomes your daily companion. But with every task, your confidence grows. Watchkeeping forms the core of your training. Standing watch alongside experienced engineers teaches you how to listen to the machinery. You learn that a slight change in sound or a minor fluctuation in pressure can be an early sign of trouble. You master the art of reading gauges, taking log entries accurately, and monitoring temperatures across vital equipment like purifiers, air compressors, and boilers. Safety becomes second nature. Wearing your personal protective equipment, following strict permit systems, and understanding emergency procedures are drilled into your routine until they are instinctual. Shipboard life also teaches you valuable lessons in teamwork and brotherhood. Working in extreme conditions creates a bond among the engine crew that is hard to find anywhere else. You learn from the wisdom of senior officers who have faced every engine trouble imaginable, and you absorb their knowledge like a sponge. Naturally, there are tough days. Days when sleep is short, the sea is rough, and a critical piece of machinery fails at the worst possible moment. Physical exhaustion and homesickness can test your resolve. Yet, fixing a complex fault after hours of sweat and seeing the engine run smoothly again gives you an unmatched sense of pride. The engine cadet phase is a crucial transformation. You evolve from a nervous newcomer into a capable engineer who understands how to keep a massive vessel moving across vast oceans. Every wipe of the rag, every trace of a diagram, and every sleepless night prepares you for the huge responsibility of holding an engineer officer license. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.